Welcome to my new blog post 34. In this blog post, I'm going to discuss enterprise environmental factors, which are actually external to the organization. So let's start. So basically, external environmental factors are following. First one is basically marketplace conditions. For example, competitors, market share, brand recognition, and trademarks. Then social and cultural influences and issues, for example, political climate, codes of conduct, ethics, and perceptions. Then comes the legal restrictions. Example actually includes country or local laws and regulations related to security, data protection, business conduct, employment, and procurement. Then comes the commercial databases. Example includes benchmarking results, standardized cost estimating at data, industry risk study information, and risk databases. Then academic research examples include industry studies, publication, and benchmarking research. Then comes the government or industry standards, which, for example, include regulatory agency regulations and standards related to products, production, environment, quality, and workmanship. Then financial considerations, example include currency exchange rates, interest rates, inflation rates, tariffs, and geographic location. Then comes the physical environmental elements, for example, working conditions, weather, and constraints. So this is it about the external environmental factor. Then coming towards our star question. A project manager is working on building a dam. He needs to study risks associated with building the dam. Where he can find this information? The first one is commercial databases, industry study, geographic location, physical environmental constraints. So answer actually lies in the video. So please answer in comment section of this video.